Hello friends, welcome back to Joe Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to print 2 pages per sheet in a Word document, right? So once you're inside your Word document, as you can see, I'm inside Microsoft Word here and I have 2 pages. And in order to print the two of them on one sheet, you need to click on File, of course, on the upper left hand side, then click and print. Now from here, you want to ensure that you select the correct printer that you have. As you can see, there are multiple options there. You might have something else selected, so ensure that the printer that you want to choose to print from is turned on and it's not idle and it's on already. So once you go ahead and you select the printer, in my case I don't have my printer on right now, but I'm gonna just leave it at that. Then from here you want to ensure that your settings is set to print all pages, and at the bottom here where you have 1 page per sheet, you want to ensure that you click on that and then select the option that says 2 pages per sheet. Now once you do that, all you have to do is just simply click on print and you will have 2 pages printed on one sheet. And that's all there is to it. Very easy and very simple, guys. Here you have it, guys. I really hope you found value within this video, and if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.